Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to activate voice chat in Roblox. So if you're unknown about how to activate voice chat in Roblox, then this video is for you. So first of all, to get started, go ahead and open Roblox application or website. Here I'm in the website. So what you gotta do is click on the settings option which is appear on the top right corner. Click on it and now click on settings. Now click on privacy and scroll all the down, and there you see you can only activate camera input. We haven't got the voice feature yet to activate, so we will have to wait in order to activate voice chat in Roblox. This feature has not come in my Roblox yet. So for instance, I'm enabling this camera feature just in case. Just click on that enable feature and the camera feature will be enabled or activated. So that's all. If you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.